Yeah, the bell tolls for them. Get out here, you dummies. Oh no, I have the hiccups. No! And the food's ready. Why did I get them? Did I get too excited? No! No, I won't. No. No! No! Did you hear that when it moved my whole body? No! Stop! Amelia's are cute. Mine are like, there's a freaking earthquake. No! No! Hold your breath, okay. It sounded like it hurt. It did. No! They're still here. You know what? My water's gone, but I got a bowl of milk. I'm gonna drink that backwards. Here we go. Alright. Alright, party time. Here we go. Milk drinking backwards out of a bowl. Hang on. Oh, my hair is so freaking long. Okay. Here we go. I think they're okay. Here, let me explain how you drink backwards. So you have the bowl. Imagine you're looking down at a bowl that you're holding in two hands, okay? Now, think about the most natural way that you drink it, right? You would put your mouth on the side that the edge that's closest to you. Instead, you put it on the edge that's farthest away from you, and you push your head forward and you curl your back over, and then you slowly tip the bowl so that the drink goes into your mouth. You have to be really careful. Let me put this bowl away. Let me put it away. Okay, it's gone. We're fine. Woo! I need to turn the light. It's getting dark. No, more light. Go. Okay. Kinda cool, not gonna lie. Anyway, the hiccups are gone, and now we've got Alice to join our boat. Thank you so very much, sweetheart. No problem. I was just busy getting rid of some hiccups, but now I'm ready to dedicate my time to you. Are you good? Okay. The coziest cottage. Can we take the sheep with us? I don't think we can, unfortunately. But yeah, it is what it is. You're free now, you're free. Let's go.